Yo, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And in today's episode, we have a brand new pair of Adidas sneakers. So this is the latest collaboration between Adidas, the Three Stripes brand, and Jeremy Scott. Oh, diba? Exciting. So this is called the Forum Money sneaker. Woo, exciting. Let's take a closer look. So to those who are not aware who Jeremy Scott is, he's the guy, an American designer who founded Moschino, if I'm not mistaken, or at least he's the designer over there. He did a collaboration with Adidas before in the early 2000s, and that one really went well. And now they're doing collaborations again. So you have this blue-white box over here. Pop it open. Woo, hoo, hoo, hoo. Guys, take a look at that. Wow, crazy. So you have the Forum Low silhouette. You have that money design that I was talking about, that money print all over the shoe. And the wing that you see here, that's actually the signature or one of the most iconic visual elements that you find in the sneakers of Jeremy Scott. So it's nice that it's making a comeback with the Forum silhouette. So you can actually feel that Adidas is really pushing the Forum silhouette super hard with all of the collaborations it's been getting. But man, this one is just absolutely sick. By the way, shout out to Good Souls PH for the hookup on this pair. I mean, the detail is just crazy. I mean, take a look at the print of the money all over the sneaker. Especially when it cuts through the wing section. That's just insane. And I can actually already visualize how one could wear this. You know, just wear muted colors for your top and your bottom and you should be good. This can be like your main accent. I mean, this is definitely going to be a conversation starter because apart from the money print, you also have the wings. So doble na. Maingay na siya because of the print and it's even louder because of that wing design along the side of the shoe. My only worry initially when I saw this was that the wing would probably drag. But if you take a closer look at it, the wing actually just sits comfortably a little above the outsole. Diba? So it shouldn't drag when you walk in it. Now, how is the sizing and the on-feet experience of the Forum Low? Well, just like other Forum Low sneakers, it does run a little bit big. So you might want to go either true to size or even consider going a half size down. I usually go a half size or a full size up with my shoes. But with this one, I actually go true to size. I have wide feet. Diba? So you might want to try a Forum Low in an Adidas shop. They have a lot just to get the perfect fit. In terms of the on feet, well, it is a rather comfortable shoe. Surprisingly comfortable sneaker. I've been abusing the Quicks Adidas Stripes Earned Forum Low for a while now. And I have no complaints when it comes to that sneaker. Fine, it's not 100% people who have wide feet like me, but it still works. It's still something that you can wear for extended periods of time, and the insole and the overall cushioning is just great. So who is this sneaker for? Well, number one, if you're a Jeremy Scott fan, that's kind of obvious already. This is a Jeremy Scott Adidas comeback pair. So if you missed out on the first batch, or if you missed out on their collaborations in the 2000s, mid-2000s, this is it. Go get it. I mean, it's here. And secondly, if you're just looking for a fun, crazy sneaker to add to your collection, let's say you already have a lot of your typical white sneakers and you want something that's just super fun and crazy, check this out. The Jeremy Scott Adidas Forum Low sells for 8,900 pesos here in the Philippines. You can see it over there. So if you think about it, it's kind of pricey, but it's not too bad. So let me know what you guys think of the Adidas Jeremy Scott shoe. Hit the comment section. Okay ba siya? Pangit ba siya? If it's something that you would rock, let me know in the comments. I'll try my best to reply to as many of you as possible. Also, a quick reminder, we do have 2 other YouTube channels in case you guys haven't subscribed yet. I do have a dedicated channel for NBA cards. So this is one of my latest pickups, which is a Cam Reddish Auto, rookie penmanship. Make sure to check out my NBA cards vlog. I do a lot of content there as well. Subscribe to that channel if you like it. Also, we have a channel on watches. So this is one of my latest pickups, which is an Edox Skydiver Neptunian, black blue. Really nice watch. This is the latest video on my watch channel. The links to both channels are already down below, so just click it and subscribe if trip nyo. So with that said, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out again to Good Souls PH. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.